In today's video, I'm gonna share you how you can improve your English all by yourself. At first, you don't need anyone around you in order to improve your English. I know many learners who want to improve their English, but they don't know where to start in the right way. But in today's video, I'm going to share you my personal experience which really helped me to improve my English. If you apply this technique, then definitely your English will be improved. Okay. So the technique I am going to tell you about is called shadowing practice. Yes, I know you heard many times, but I want to share with you some few things regarding shadowing so that you can improve your English. Okay, so you have to select one video. It should be only 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, and but you are a beginner, then I would like to suggest you need to watch very simple and very basic video, very basic words so that you can understand easily. It could be it could be kid story and cartoon channel based on your choice. According to your convenience, you can pick one video. And after listening one sentence, you have to pause and you have to immediately repeat those sentences in the same time. In the same time duration, you have to just speak. Okay. When you are watching any videos, the video will go on. You have to just pause and repeat this sentence, this word, these phrases in your own way. In the same time, you have to speak like same word, same rhythm. You have to speak. After practicing, after completing this video, you will see your brain will start thinking in English. Yes, because while doing because while doing shadowing practice, you will get to know words and sentence structures, how frame the sentence structures. You can understand each and everything. So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope